Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to show you a hidden gem in Davao City, Chris-Ron Legacy Leisure Residences in Maa. This isn't your typical condo, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Chris-Ron Legacy offers a truly unique living experience. From the moment you step inside, you'll feel the sense of peace and tranquility. The architecture is stunning, and the landscaping is impeccably maintained. But let's talk about the amenities. They've got it all. A sparkling swimming pool, perfect for those hot Davao days, a fully equipped gym to keep you fit, and a children's playground for the little ones. There's even clubhouse, function rooms, etc. Seriously, it feels like a resort. Now, let's take a peek inside. The units are spacious and well designed, offering a variety of layouts to suit different needs and lifestyles. And the views? Absolutely breathtaking. You want to see what is the actual unit? Check this video. Right mga boss, so sunod na ta. So ipakita na ko sa inyo ang actual turnover unit dito sa Legacy Leisure.
Si Bay Loren.
Right, so this is the 1BR with balcony. So 1BR F yata ni? Right. Yan, so 1BR with balcony. This is the balcony here. And muna yung pinakadaga na unit rin mga boss, which is facing sa amenities. So that's the Olympic size swimming pool. And then yun yung boss kanina. And so ongoing pang construction, you know, Legacy Leisures. So, may Maa. Ganda. Yeah. The bathroom. Right. Okay, next is the 2BR. So this is the actual unit ng 2BR. Yeah. So, may pwede siya sa turnover, may mga cabinets and mga kitchen sink. This 2BR sample, and may balcony ang 2BR. So, gamay lang ang 2BR mga boss. Mostly is 1BR na F. Itong kanina may balcony. So, may balcony din. This is the 2 rooms na meron dito. Yan. Here. So, duha ang balcony sa isang room. Na isa dito. Alright? 2BR. Next is the 1BRH. Kanina 1BRF. Then this 2BRB. Then the next is 1BRH. Okay, this is the 1BRH na wala yung balcony. So, tulungan na kayo units mga boss sa 1BRH, 1BRF, and 2BR. And this is the dining area. And this is the toilet and bath. And okay, so ito yung 1BR na walang balcony. So, mas lesser ang price compared sa 1BRF kanina. So, ang facing naman ito, yan, mostly to the gilid. And then, yun yung clubhouse ngayon na magusto. Yan. So, gilipar lang yung pasas kasi sobrang dusty. And then, yan yung signage nito. Okay? 3 units din sa Chris-Ron Legacy. Okay, this is the ongoing development dito sa building 2. Ito yung first building na nabenta and na-sold out na din. And pero may mga remaining inventories pa din mga boss. And dito kami ngayon sa 4th floor. Ayan. So, mid-rise condominium. The location is also a major plus. Maa is a rapidly developing area in Davao City, known for its schools, hospitals, malls, etc. It's the perfect blend of peaceful suburban living and convenient city access. What really sets Quezon Legacy apart in the sense of community, it's more than just a place to live. It's a place to connect and build lasting memories. So if you're looking for a high-quality resort-style living experience in a prime location in Davao City, then you absolutely need to check out Quezon Legacy Leisure Residences in MAA. You can comment us down below or you can message me directly for more information about this project. And don't forget also to like this video and subscribe for more Davao adventures and property offers in Davao. See you in the next vlog. Bye!